I'm just out for a walk and thought I'd do a quick vlog. I've just been to the hairdressers, which is the worst day to go for a windy walk, but never mind. I just wanted to show you this amazing place that I live in. I'm so lucky, but really to make the point that wherever you live, there is so much nature around. Even if you're in a city, you know, there are so many places that you can go to discover. I'm still finding paths and routes and places that I didn't know existed, and I've lived here for years. So I just wanted to, well, you can see in the background there, this is my round the block. I am one lucky lady. There we go. There's so many things appearing in the hedgerows, they never look the same, and the corn's now started growing in the cornfields as well. So yeah, it's